In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize time format in ClickUp, whether you're setting up your workspace for the first time or just want to personalize it to better suit your needs. Adjusting your time and date formats can make your ClickUp experience more intuitive. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can configure everything exactly the way you like. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once the page loads, log into your ClickUp account using your email or a supported social login method like Google, or another option you prefer. If you're new to ClickUp and don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. After logging in, you'll arrive at your workspace from here. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon, which could either be your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, locate and select the option labeled Settings. Now that you're in the Account Settings page, make sure you're on the My Settings tab. This is where all your personal preferences are located. If you're not already on this tab, simply click it to bring up the options we need. Once you're in the My Settings section, scroll down until you find the part labeled Time and Date Format. This is where you can customize the way time and dates appear in your ClickUp workspace. First, let's set the start of the week. You'll have two options here, Sunday or Monday. Choose whichever one works best for your workflow and personal preference. Next, move on to selecting your preferred time format. You can choose between the 24-hour format or the 12-hour format, depending on how you like to view time. For instance, if you prefer seeing 2 p.m. instead of 1400, go with the 12-hour option. After that, set your date format. ClickUp offers several options here, such as month, day, year, day, month, year, or year, month, day. Pick the format that makes the most sense to you or aligns with your regional preference. Once you've made all your selections, double-check everything to ensure it's how you want it. Then, scroll down and click the Save Changes button to apply your new settings. This step is important because your changes won't take effect until you save them. If you notice that the new format hasn't updated immediately, don't worry, it's a simple fix. Just reload the page, and your updated time and date preferences should appear correctly. And that's it. You've successfully customized the time and date format in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.